Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are well and getting smarter day by day as you grow up. I am Rupal ma'am. Today we are going to learn a new alphabet in our English class. Alphabet M. But before we learn a new alphabet, we will revise all the alphabet which you have learned till now. So let's revise. Capital A, small a, Mama A, baby A. The sound of letter A is A. A for apple, ant, ambulance, aeroplane. Capital B, small b, Mama B, baby B. The sound of letter B is B. B for balloon, button, bucket, bat and ball. Capital C, small c, Mama C, baby C. The sound of letter C is K. C for cap, cake, car, chair. Capital D, small d, Mama D, baby D. The sound of letter D is D. D for dice, doll, dolphin, drum. Capital E, small e, Mama E, baby E. The sound of letter E is A. E for eyes, elephant, eraser, egg. Capital F, small f, Mama F, baby F. The sound of letter F is F. F for flag, fan, frog, face. Capital G, small g, Mama G, baby G. The sound of letter G is G. G for gloves, gate, gift, guitar. Capital H, small h, Mama H, baby H. The sound of letter H is H. H for hat, house, hen, helicopter. Capital I, small I, Mama I, baby I. The sound of letter I is E. I for insect, igloo, idli, injection. Capital J, small j, Mama J, baby J. The sound of letter J is J. J for jelly, jacket, jug, joker. Capital K, small k, Mama K, baby K. The sound of letter K is K. K for key, kite, kiwi, king. Capital L, small l, Mama L, baby L. The sound of letter L is L. L for ladder, lock, lotus, lion. Now this is alphabet M. Capital M, small m, Mama M, baby M. The sound of letter M is M. M for monkey, mango, mug, mop. Let's see some more pictures of letter M. M for mouse, M for marbles, M for mango, M for matchsticks, M for mug, M for mat, M for mirror, M for monkey, and M for marigold. Let's enjoy an activity. Find the way. Help the baby mouse find its way to its mummy. So here it starts. Should it go this side? Oh no, it's a dead end. So it will go to the other side. Here it goes, looking for its mummy. I'm sure this baby mouse is going to find its way soon. हुर्रे! बेबी माउस अपनी मम्मी के पास पहुंच गया. देखो कितना खुश हो गया. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Now, worksheet time. Today there are 2 worksheets for my little ones, and I am sure you will enjoy doing them. Worksheet 1. This is a picture of a mango. You can join the dots with crayon and color it nicely. You can do this practice work in your English classwork book on page number 17. Worksheet 2. Color the mango having alphabet M yellow. You can do this practice work in your English classwork book on page number 44. I hope you all enjoyed learning alphabet M through this video. Thank you. Have a nice day and be safe. Bye.